the new improved Aspirating Buttworms Master Tape has been successfully dubbed, and we're now ready to start phase 2, which is dubbing our first home video. It's your standard VHS tape, and you can see here it says "Be Kind, Rewind," which I think is a great sentiment. I fully support that. It's very kind to rewind, and it looks like I was kind to myself because last time I watched it. What we're gonna want to look for is right here. Any commercial VHS tape, you're gonna see this little crevasse here, little missing square. This is a blank tape used for testing purposes. You can see there's a little tab here, and here there's nothing. And so basically this tab blocks something, I don't know the technical thing of it, but it blocks something in the VCR so it knows it can write over this tape. Whereas if it doesn't feel the tab, then it won't record onto it. It's funny because if you look at the 8mm tapes, it's actually like backwards from the VHS. If it's in record mode, then it's open. The hole is open, and then in read-only mode or save mode, it's closed. You think it would be easier just to have like a standard for little things like this, but apparently not. So we need to trick the VCR basically into believing that there's a tab and that this is not a commercially dubbed tape, but it's just a blank tape. And the way we're going to do that is with another kind of tape, which is duct tape. Okay, so we're just going to take our piece of duct tape here, just a little square, you know, maybe a little bigger than the crevice, and just stick it. I like to stick it on there, give it a little overlap on the edge, you know, and just smooth it down. Just make it real smooth as much as you can. It doesn't matter that much, but I mean, you don't want it to come off. It's probably not going to, but it would suck if a piece of duct tape got sucked into your VCR. That would probably fuck something up in there. Some people will like to put padding, like a folded up paper and shit, into that hole. So you can see it's... But in my experience, you do not need to do that. Just the duct tape is enough. Okay, so now this tape, with that simple taping of the tape, it's now ready